Kiwitaxi discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Kiwitaxi, and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it and get a bunch of discount. So let's get into it. So here I'm on the website, and here you can simply go ahead and put your destination over here. There's not really a sign up option, but you can still check the link in the description to get a bunch of different discounts like coupon codes and discount codes and a bunch of other useful and beneficial stuff. So make sure you check the link in the description. So here, just type in your location from and to, the date, and the amount of passengers that you have. And these are all the routes that are available for that, right? So for example, let's say I want LAX. I'll go from here. I'll select Los Angeles International Airport, and then I'll just type in Miami, all right? Or Miami International, there you go. And then here we can just select the date, boom, passengers, boom, and then hit the continue button. All right, it's gonna search all of the transfers and all of the routes that are available, and then here it'll calculate everything. And it'll also have a bunch of different classes for those transportation. So we got micro, economy, comfort, minivan, business, and other ones as well, like SUVs. And then here are some of the pros that they are offering. And these are some of the additional services that they have, like child seats, extra waiting hours, boxes for ski equipment, pets, drinking water, extra stops, or again, it's just repeating it. And then down below we got our review. So let's go ahead and select one of the routes. So let's say I want to select this one right here. I'm going to select the 96 one. Then here I just choose the car, right? Let's go with comfort. And it has a 15-minute waiting window, and you can cancel it at any time. And then this is the drive right here. It's a 40-minute drive. Specified is the estimate based on the typical traffic conditions. And then here is the departure. Make sure you add your address, your hotel name, time of transfer. Just select the time that you want. And if it's a return trip, click over here. If it's not, leave it as it is. Step 2 is passengers. If there's another passenger with you, make sure you enter their name and surname and their phone number. And yeah, if you have some child seats, make sure you check that one as well. And then we have additional. So here we can have drinking water, stop on the way, comment for an order. And here is the promo code, so which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out. So once you've applied the promo code, click the continue button, and boom, you're good to go. Then you can go ahead and pay the amount, the discounted amount, and save your money. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.